So within like a week, maybe a week and a half, I had to put in, well, first I had to, not first, but first I put these steps in. I had to put these steps in. I had to demo everything. There was an opening over there. Let's see if you can see it. There was an opening right there. That was how you access the attic. You could probably see in my videos that like I posted some stuff about building the steps. I just didn't do, I did part 1, I didn't do part 2 or 3 or whatever. I know it took 3 days to finish the steps. I had them, they were offset. Well, they were one step too big, so I had to cut them, take them down and cut them. So that took like 3 days to do. And there was other stuff that was messing with it too. So messing with the time of doing the steps. But so I put the steps in, built the staircase, the stairway. I had to build this platform, build this closet, demo all that. Also had to do electrical, all electrical for up here. Everything had to be tied in. Well, all the old stuff downstairs had to be tied into that new box. And then everything up here needed to be reran, all the plugs. I put, well, I put so many plugs on there. Well, I was just gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 5 plugs. So I got 6 plugs, which there's a plug right there, which it's not needed because you wouldn't plug nothing in right there. But I had to use that as a junction box. Instead of putting it behind the wall, I just put it as a plug. So it's all good. And there's 2 more plugs over there. I had to run the heat from all the way from the crawl space to get up here. It's pretty much, it's 12 by 6. It's good. It's gonna, should heat it up here. Heat rises anyway. You could feel the heat already up here, and it's cold outside, but there's heat up here. I still have to do this, but I need them guys to take that out. It's pretty dangerous. It's that chimney's sitting on top of the roof, so it needs to come down. I guess I could maybe put one in the middle, put like a joist in the middle, but I can't do the ends. And I guess if the roofer was to roof it, but it would make it a lot harder on the roofer. They would have to sawzall that and then sheet it up top just with one in the middle, and then sheet would cut into that. But it would be easier if I could just blocking, and then one in the middle. They'd be able to sheet that a lot easier and take that down. So so drywall can't go up there until that's down. So yeah, and then this room is a living space now or whatever. And what else? Also the whole electrical panel box, the whole meter can outside, it's all new. Everything's all new. I still have to run a ground rod. I still have to do plumbing underneath. I'm missing a plug in this room. Also, there isn't no power in this room. I don't know why there isn't no power in this room. I'm assuming I see a wire coming from upstairs. I see a wire that is, it's hot in one spot, but it's hot nowhere, somewhere else. Like it's literally, there's nothing in between there, but it's hot here and it's not hot here. So there's got to be a break inside that wire, but I'm missing power here and here. And this plug, I don't have power in here, so I'm gonna have to do that. But still, and also I have to put the tub in and ceiling fans in each room. So I am missing a few things, but I can do that while the guy's drywalling. So within this week and a half or a week or whatever, we'll call it a week and a half, yeah, this all got done by myself. Nobody helping me, nobody cleaning my mess, nobody picking up stuff, giving me stuff, everybody, or nothing, no help. So